The sheepskin is cut on the clicker. The first step in constructing the upper is sewing the front and back seam, the heel cover and the side seams. The EMU branded binding and the logo flag is attached. Then the constructed upper to the insole board. The water resistant binding is then attached to the bottom of the boot. Then adhesive. Then the upper is attached to the outsole. Pairs are then inspected, the removable insoles put in, then tagged with the Australian made swing tag. The EMU carton is then lined with tissue paper, followed by the boots and the certificate of authenticity. Our boots are then sent out to our customers all over the globe.